Hello there, this is Deborah, and I finally got the soap out of the mold. This is what it looks like. I did have to put it in the freezer for a little bit because it was still a little soft. So we shall see how it goes here. So I'll go ahead and let's see. Hopefully I got this set up where you can see me cut this. I'm gonna have to line it up to the end beds there. Okay, let's just bring this a little bit closer there. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and hopefully I don't chop off any of the little kitty cats there. And there you have it. That's what the inside looks like. I didn't cut that piece yet. I guess I could go ahead and cut that little piece there to see what it looks like. Okay. I'm impressed. So far, so good. I'm pretty happy here. Okay, let's see. And there you have it. You can see a lot of the black, and I can see the lavender. I'm pretty impressed. It's pretty nice to be those colors. I thought it came out pretty nice there. So hopefully you can see it. Okay. Let's just keep going to see what the rest of it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. It's definitely different. And there's a purple, and I can see purple there in the black. I can see the gray much better in this one. That's pretty nice. I like it. Like I said, it was a little soft, so I had to put it in the freezer for a little bit there. These are pretty big bars. Alright. Hope you can see that really good. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't try to mess with this camera. Not even budging. But anyway, I think I got the camera set what the lens doesn't move. That's really good, Deborah. Okay. I'm impressed. I have to say, I do like it. Like I said, I was a little bit nervous about in the pot swirl with those colors being so dark. I think the biggest thing with me is I am a hot color person. When I used to work for a craft store and I was their floor designer there, when I got the job, I remember the head person saying to me, "What colors do you like?" And I'm thinking, what colors do I like? And she says, "Are you hot colors, pastel?" And I said, "Oh no, I'm hot colors. I love purples and yellows and oranges." She said, "You got the job." Well, actually I did an arrangement, but I basically did it with some really hot colors because the other designer that I was going to be working with, she liked it all pastel, and she had been there longer than me, so she got pretty much the choice to make what she wanted to make. So she didn't really like hot colors, purples and oranges and yellows and stuff, so that really was a bonus for me getting a job liking hot colors. So these are not hot colors, these kind of are really dread looking colors, but I think the purple and the gold really made it pop. It's not bad colors, it's just I am more hot colors. I love colors that's bright and vivid. And I guess if you see some of my other soaps, you can say, yep, she likes hot colors. I do love pastels too, but I don't know, I lean more towards very bright colors. And I love purple, all shades of purple. So this is really cool. It's different. Definitely different. The kitty cats are a little bit dramatic, especially today after putting them in the freezer and the melt and pour kind of getting kind of like wet. I don't know, it's kind of damp. I don't know the words for it, but anyway, hopefully once they cure and I sew them up, they should be fine. But I'm really happy I did this collaboration with Renee. She's some really cute kitty cats, and my mother-in-law have some awesome kitty cats, and Sylvester used to be mine, so he's pretty cool too. So there you have it. This is really cool. I really like it. This is, like I said, unscented. It has some really awesome oils in it, and it looks like it's going to feel really good on the skin. Just looking at it. I mean, it just feels good. Okay, let's smooth it up just a little more there. Okay. Very nice. So thank you so much for coming back. I hope you did come back to see the cut of the soap. And hopefully I can get some more videos going, get moving. I'm just kind of missing in action on these videos. I got tons of videos I've made, but just really need to edit them and just really need to get going. So there's a big collaboration coming up pretty soon, but before the collaboration, oh, sorry about that, moving the camera like that. I've got some really neat ideas I want to introduce to you guys, so hopefully I can get that done. That's the bottom. I love that purple. And this is it. So me and the kitty cat says bye for now. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.